Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. And I was right, a lot of coupons did reset, and I haven't even checked to see what other new coupons are, but I printed off these Ben & Jerry's and the Keebler and the Tidy Cats, and those all look like they reset. It looks like the Garnier Whole Blends reset. We have the Schick razors, which I'm not going to print right now because I still have quite a few of them. The OxiClean reset, which is awesome. I don't know if there's any deals with OxiClean right now. The Love and Beauty reset. L'Oreal Paris reset. So there's a lot of coupons that reset. This L'Oreal Paris reset, that one. I'm just not going to print them off. I end up printing so many coupons that I don't use, and I do want to show you guys deals, or show you guys my printer, so be prepared for that. This coupon pops up all the time, and I've never used it, so I'm not going to print off the Sweet Tarts Laffy Taffy coupon. But here we got $3 off the Tenya, so that's a new coupon. So hopefully there's some good deals with Ibotta. We got Schick men's razors that look like it just popped up. We got $1 off of 3 Pop-Tarts. I'm like obsessed with Pop-Tarts lately. Here we got General Mills Biscoff peanut butter. Look at that. Dove, $1 off Dove Men's Care. $1 off Keebler. Here we got $1 off Happy Family. Some yogurt, some diapers. Gerber, $5 off organic formula. Never heard of that. Here we got $1 off Purell. Now I'm printing that off because school is coming up and we're going to be getting some Purell wasted. Yep, $1 off of that. So I'm just letting you guys know with that. Here we got $1 off of Dove, Benadryl. Here we got $1 off of 2 General Mills cereal, which I might print that off because I don't know if there's some deals. Here we got 25 cents off of Puffs. Tissues, I think there's a 50-cent off coupon that we are getting in the P&G, so I'm just going to wait on that. But we got $1.50 off Glade, $1 off of 2 Kellogg's cereal. Sorry, something's popping up on my computer. $1 off A&D ointment, 75 cents off the Oat Crunch, 75 cents off the Shreds. Here we got another $1 off the Sweet Tart Sprees or Nerds, but again, I'm going to wait because I print those off and never use them. So here the Lumify reset. Now there is a deal at Walgreens. I'm going to print this off just in case it comes out to be a super great deal. You never know. But I'm not seeing any like hot coupons. Looks like the Garnier off of 2, the $5 off of 2 reset. Fancy Feast. A lot of cat food, dog food. And I print mine off of Swag Bucks because I get 3 points on the weekends every time I print. So the ones that did not reset were the gum soft picks. I only printed off one of those so far. And then the Neutrogena did not reset. Or the Clean and Clear and the Neutrogena. And then they're also tied to Red Plum. So I'm going to see what new coupons they have on here. Here they got the Snuggle in Wash. And that seems about it for coupons. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.